I'm sorry to announce that my old workshop is gone because its lease got expired last September. But the good news is that I got a larger space. Working on my projects here is so much more organized. I have a building station, a soldering station, and an entire testing station. And I also have this little office in the back where I can just relax, design some PCBs and edit some YouTube videos. This library section is probably one of the coolest things in here because I'm just displaying some of my favorite projects I've done over the years. Hopefully I will add some more of my future projects over there instead of the books. So I hope you enjoyed watching the sneak peek of my new workshop. Just as a warning, some of my next videos will also feature the old workshop because I haven't completed any of my 7 ongoing projects. I just have to continue work on those. Bye bye. Also, special thanks to my patrons. Without their extra help, I could never do this.